This job as a concept was innovated close to 150 years back. And the reason this was innovated was startup का first principle है वो एक ही है, and that is आपका customer आपके पास repeatedly आए, you do one work but you do it so well that people start paying attention. And the moment attention comes, managers start recognizing. The moment attention comes, leaders start recognizing managers. 20% of all hard work leads to 80% of all the. And your focus should be to focus on what are those 20% works.
Ten years back, we used to graduate from colleges. Aspiration was to work in corporates, right? It can be the Infosys and the Wipros and the Mahindra and Googles of the world, maybe, right? And then came a time where people said, no, I don't want to be a cog in the wheel. That was a whole layer of this discussion going on, right? And what impact are you creating? What purpose? Internet came into our lives. We all, got exposed. And then we all said, let's all go to the startup ecosystem. Innovation is happening here. Digital revolution is here. And then people started joining that. And 10 years down the line, I see still lot of us are still the cog in the wheel now in a startup. We're still caught up in a middle layer. When I say middle layer, it's not a bad thing or a good thing, but hum to purpose, impact, we are here to create that, right? So a 7-year, 5-year WorkX guy is like doing 9 to 9 instead of 9 to 5. So how should one change their mindset from a corporate to a startup when they come into the startup world, digital world? How should they change their mindset? And what does IC manager and leader means in today's world?
See, first of all, one thing which is very important is the first mindset that needs to be changed is that there is no job. This job as a concept was innovated close to 150 years back. And the reason this was innovated was that mining workers used to work 24 hours. To control that, there was a policy in the US that said कि यार आपको सुबह 9 से लेकर 5 बजे तक ही काम करना है. आज के दिन में आप क्या काम करते हो, that is way more important than आप कितना काम कर रहे हो. And I think when it comes to IC, to manager, to leader, the fundamental first principle is value addition. Whatever you do, you have to add value to your role. Unfortunately, a lot of young people that I meet, they are chasing the byproducts.
Very interesting. Please explain.
They always tell me कि यार हमें है ना स्टार्टअप करना है बिकॉज हमें फेम चाहिए, हमें कैपिटल रेस करना है. मैंने कहा ये सब कुछ है ना बाय प्रोडक्ट है. स्टार्टअप का फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल है वो एक ही है, एंड दैट इज आपका कस्टमर आपके पास रिपीटेडली आए और आपके प्रोडक्ट से इतनी चाहत करे दैट ही गेट्स ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स टू यू एंड सेज दैट दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट दैट यू नीड टू बाय. एंड इफ दैट स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग, मैजिक हैपन्स. सो बाकी क्या है ना, कैपिटल विल चेज अटेंशन. माई फोकस टू एवरीवन who wants to start their life in general is create attention. This is a beautiful concept. Attention का क्या मतलब है? काम ऐसा करो कि लोग ना आपको attention देने लग जाएं. And genuinely, कोई काम छोटा नहीं. You do one work, but you do it so well that people start paying attention. And the moment attention comes, managers start recognizing you. The moment attention comes, leaders start recognizing managers. The moment attention comes, boards start recognizing leaders. And they hire. And growth का ना एक ही तरीका है. Create attention by creating passion in your work. Now, how do you create effortless work where people just chase you? And life का principle है 20% of talent in the world, and I'm glad that you're calling this the 80-20 podcast. It's such a beautiful name. ये ना first principle है 20% of all hard work leads to 80% of all the results. ये ना बहुत simple है, and your focus should be to focus on what are those 20% works.